fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent.
Detrás de cada historia hay una canción. Después de hacerlo lento vino el rock and roll. Después de cada grito de haberte dicho que no juegues con fuego. Después de haber tocado fondo, he acabado así. En prórroga y descuento pido el cambio, sáquenme de aquí. La temporada es la...
Down on Bowery they lose their ball eyes and their lip mouths in the night. And stumbling through the street they say, sir, do you got a light? And if you do, then you're my friend, and if you don't, then you're my foe. And if you are a deity of any sort, then please don't go. Ne me quitte pas mon cher, ne me quitte pas. Ne me quitte pas mon cher. And down on Lexington they're wearing new shoes stuck to aging feet and close their eyes and open and not recognize the aging street and think about how things were right when they were young and veins were tight. And if you are the ghost of Christmas past, then won't you stay the night? Ne me quitte pas mon cher, ne me quitte pas. My rhyme ain't good just yet, my brain and tongue just met, and they ain't friends so far. My words don't travel far, they tangle in my hair and tend to go nowhere. They grow right back inside, right past my brain and eyes into my stomach juice, where they don't serve much use. No healthy calories, nutrition values, and I absorb back in the words right through my skin. They sit there festering inside my bowels, the consonants and vowels. The consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels. Hey! The consequence of sounds. Got a soundtrack in my mind all the time. Kids screaming from too much beat up and they don't even rhyme. They just stand there on a street corner, skin tucked in and neat side out and shouting. I'd like to turn them down, but there ain't no knob. Born into picket fences, not into picket lines. All this hippie shit's for the 60s and a cliche in our times. But what if one of these days your heart will just stop ticking and they sorta just don't find you till your cubicle is reeking?
When the snow is getting heavy, trees just bend and let it go. So how many broken bones it takes to know? So wake up, my principessa, and don't let me out of your sight. I've seen the other side of rainbow when it was black and white. It was black and white. I've seen the other side of